welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the exercises I use to keep my hands pain-free while crocheting. If you love crochet as much as I do, we know how much work our hands do. So it is not just for the crocheters, also for the knitters. I do these exercises regularly. Now there are a certain other products as well which help me maintain my hand health, like ergonomic crochet hooks and copper infused crochet gloves, and there are multiple products. I will link them in the description box below for you to check out, but these exercises are to be done daily, especially if you are a long time crocheter. If you crochet for long hours, please do make sure that you're doing these exercises to keep your hands healthy. Now, without wasting any further time, let's get right into the video. So that's it for today. These are all the exercises that I regularly do to keep my hands healthy. If you already do any of these exercises, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!